Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, high-protein, super creamy, super healthy, super quick and easy chocolate ice cream. This is the healthiest chocolate ice cream ever made, and it's so delicious, made with chickpeas, but tastes so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a blender. Along with half a cup of cocoa powder. 6 Medjool dates. Half a cup of almond butter. And a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now put it in the freezer until firm. And enjoy a super delicious and super healthy chocolate ice cream! Thanks for watching.